How to show declined events in iPhone calendar. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find declined calendar events. First, open the Calendar app on your iPhone. Tap Calendars at the bottom of the screen. Now, look through your available calendars and make sure the calendar where the event was originally created or received is enabled. If you can't find the declined event, go back and tap Inbox if that option is available. Look for the invitation you declined and open it to view the event details. Keep in mind that iPhone calendar may not display declined events in the normal calendar view. If you declined an invitation, the event may be removed from your calendar, depending on your calendar account and settings. If you're using an iCloud or other supported calendar account, you can also check the account's calendar settings or open the calendar service on the web to look for the invitation. If you want to receive invitations again, make sure the correct calendar account is enabled. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Calendar. Tap on Accounts. Then tap on Gmail or Others option shown on your screen and tap on it. Make sure Calendar option is turned on. And that's it. These steps can help you find or manage declined events on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone and calendar tutorials.